you're tolerating, you're going against your innate emotions. Tolerance is embodying negative emotions. And studies have proven that harboring negative emotions causes so many different illnesses and ailments. It is literally causing you to break down. So I want to read a little bit from Law of Attraction. This is by Esther and Jerry Hicks. Okay. And it is, when I'm tolerating others, I'm not allowing. So it says, I am that which I am. I am willing to allow all others to be which they are. It's the law that will lead you to total freedom. Freedom from any experiences that you do not want. And freedom from any negative responses to any experience that you do not approve of. So when we say it is good to be an allower, many of you misunderstand what we mean by that. For you think about allowing means that you will tolerate. You will be that which you are, and you will let everyone else be that which they want to be. Even if you do not like it, you will feel negative about it. You will feel sorry for them. You may even feel fearful for yourself, but nevertheless, you will let them be, but in a tolerant fashion. When you are tolerating, you are not allowing. There are two different things. One who tolerates is feeling negative emotions. One who is an allower does not feel negative emotion, and that is a very great difference. For it is the absence of negative emotion that is freedom, you see. You cannot experience freedom when you have negative emotions. Okay, so in having read that, from my own perspective, of course, everybody is living life on their own timeline. And there's going to be things that you're going to encounter that you're naturally not going to mesh with, you're not going to really believe in. However, this is why being stoic and this is why solitude are going to be so beneficial, especially in the act of moving into a space of allowance other than tolerance. Because when you're someone, you could have different versions of the clairs: clairvoyant, clairsentient, clairaudient. Okay, so if you're someone, you're an empath, you could be intuitive, highly sensitive. You naturally pick up on other people's energy, but it is controlling and not allowing people to just exist how they see fit for them when we impose our perspectives on them, per se. So when you're around people and you feel that you're literally just tolerating them for whatever reasons, that is blocking the flow of abundance, of attracting what it is you want in your life. So just instead of holding on to your particular perspective in regard to others, move into a space of allow them to be who it is that they want to be, perceive things in which the way that they want to, and it alleviates you from harboring those negative energies. Also, it says once you become an allower, you will no longer attract into your existence those unwanted things, and you will begin to experience absolute freedom and joy.